What's up guys? In this video, we will be talking about mining versus trading crypto or buying crypto. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so we will be using several articles for this video for me to explain to you what mining and trading is. Let's go ahead and start with what mining is. Alright, so the basic definition of mining is the process that Bitcoin and several other cryptocurrencies use to generate new coins and verify new transactions. Mining involves a lot of different things. You have expenses for all of the peripherals like the computer that you will be using, the electricity that you will be using. If you need to rent out a space to get all of the mining rigs in there, those are the things that you have to consider if you want to get into the mining of crypto. So it involves vast decentralized networks of computers around the world that verify and secure the virtual ledgers that document cryptocurrency transactions. So that is the one for mining. And then trading, guys, on the other hand, can be rewarding, but not without the risk. So trading is very risky, especially if you are new in the crypto space. I would strongly suggest that you study the fundamentals first. Go ahead and check out our channel. We also created a lot of informational videos that would definitely help you out in your journey in the crypto industry. All right. So even though you could trade with almost any amount, guys, you need to make a large deposit to make a lot of money. Meaning you need money to generate money. All right. So the larger the deposit, the higher the earning potential, high risk, high rewards. All right. I'm not sure if you have already heard about that, but if you're like an intermediate or has been doing a lot of trades in the crypto space for the past couple of years or months, then high risk, high rewards is something that you already know. So some trading types also allow you to trade crypto with leverage. However, if you trade leverage, yes, there's a possibility that you could earn more, but if like your technical analysis or your study or your research goes off the other way, then you lose more, right? That is how leverage does it. And we also have videos of that in the channel. Mining could let you generate a consistent income stream, but factors like Bitcoin price, you have electricity price, you have the graphics card prices, the computer prices, and all those stuff. You have to consider those in your initial investment. Now, furthermore, you must invest in a lot of hardware before you can even begin mining. So that is crypto mining. All right. So there are many cryptocurrencies, guys, that you could mine, but not all of them use that method to verify transactions. Specifically, you want to look at the cryptocurrencies that use a proof of work. And these are some suggestions. You have this Cadena. All right, so Cadena is a cryptocurrency built for business and powering global financial systems. It is one of the more profitable cryptocurrencies when you mine it with the ASIC or ASIC. Next one would be the Ergo. All right, let me go ahead and show you that one. It is a platform designed to provide an efficient way to implement financial contracts on blockchain. And because Ergo is resistant to ASIC mining, you can mine it using a GPU or the graphics card. All right, so next one, guys, would be this one, the Dogecoin. All right, Dogecoin is a meme coin. All right, if you're not familiar with a meme coin, go ahead and check out our channel. We also created a lot of videos that talks about that. It started as a joke and it has become an extremely popular crypto token in 2021. And it's possible to make a profit mining out of that with an ASIC. So on a notable cryptocurrency, guys, that I would recommend mining is Bitcoin. All right, Bitcoin is the most popular token that people mine, and there are so many miners competing to earn rewards, and it's extremely difficult to make a profit with Bitcoin mining. So meaning you would need to spend a lot more investing on your equipment for you to be able to mine a good amount of Bitcoin tokens. All right, so there are also a lot of misconceptions in terms of making making an investment. So these are actually some of the reasons why. Why do people fail and quit making an investment in cryptocurrency? Guys, because this is very volatile. Again, you could make millions in a snap. You could also lose millions in a snap, or you could get bankrupt, right? So people always study and do their own research before making their trades. You can't use this as like you're gambling, wherein you just invest into one token and then hope to mankind that, you know, it will pump and you would get revenue. It's not as easy as that, guys. So there are a lot of misconceptions approximately on how crypto trading works, and plenty of humans expect that they are able to do the same things with crypto as they do with shares or foreign money markets, or the foreign exchange or foreign stock market or something like that. However, there are essential variations among them that human beings want to apprehend. So this is not your usual stock exchange or foreign exchange wherein, you know, when you do your research, it depends on like the books of the company on how the stocks goes up and down. You hodl and then you make, you know, wise decisions and all those good stuff. In crypto, yes, you can make calculated risk, but again, guys, even the most expert or advanced crypto traders still afford to lose money in terms of investing, because, you know, sometimes crypto tokens or cryptocurrency in general is very unpredictable. Doing your technical analysis or your research just reduces the risk of you losing, but it does not eliminate the fact that it could go worse. Right? So again, I would strongly suggest that you start off with learning the fundamentals first, learn the technical analysis, and then start from there. If you're new to the channel, guys, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe button, click that bell. That way you will always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.